Worldwide handyman. Let's go, my people. Look at this. Somebody connected the air ventilation to the lights, air exhaust fan. That is wild. Don't worry, Worldwide Man will take care of you. Let's go. Like and subscribe. Let's go, people. So don't think that I make it up. Look what they did. Dun, dun, dun. Let's go. Don't do this. Woo. Let's go. Let's go. Wow. Let's go. I took out the drywall. Now I gotta break that with a saw. Let's go, people. Already made the hole. Always add tape. Add some caulking for extra support. Let's go. One more time. Already painted it. Like and subscribe, my people. Let's go. Worldwide Handyman. At it again.